Today we're looking at this range of auto darkening helmets from Italco. From welding to grinding, each of these helmets is a lightweight design, so you can wear it all day if you have to, and they'll even fit a big head like mine. The auto darkening function is auto controlled, so you don't have to open and close the visor, you don't have to turn anything on or off. You can just have your hands free to focus on the job. The helmet's functions are powered with solar assist, so you can get 5,000 hours of welding in without ever having to change or charge a battery. Each of these helmets can have their darkness easily adjusted by the turning of this control. Whereas this helmet here both has a larger viewfinder and has a lot more control for fine tuning depending on the needs of your job. Additional to all of these auto darkening helmets from Italco is this brand new model we've just released, which has all the same functionality but even more control and an amazing 180-degree view window, which is not just wider but also much larger. It's also solar power, provides UV protection and is thermal resistant, and where each of these helmets has 2 sensors, this helmet has 4. This range of auto darkening helmets from Italco are lightweight and they're great. If you want to know anything more about the auto darkening and welding helmets from Italco, hit me up in that comment section below. I've also linked their product pages in the description below so you can read all the specs on each of the helmets. Otherwise, I'm Tim and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.